In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the Greek phi symbol into your Microsoft Word document. This is a handy skill that can be a game changer, especially if you're working on documents that require the use of specialized symbols like mathematical or scientific texts. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to navigate through the Microsoft Word interface to find and insert the phi symbol with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have your Microsoft Word document open and ready. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and open the document where you wish to insert the symbol. Once you have your Word file open, glance towards the top of your screen and you'll find the toolbar. This toolbar is your go-to place for most actions. Look for the Insert tab and click on it. Once you've clicked on Insert, you'll notice a variety of options available for insertion, like pictures, tables, and more. Our focus, however, is on the section labeled Symbols. Click on Symbols to start exploring the available options. You'll see a small pane with a few symbols commonly used in Word. But what we're looking for isn't there by default, so here's the next step. Look for an option that says More Symbols. Clicking this will open a new window with a vast array of symbols available for you to use. This can seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. At the top right corner of this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Subset. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of categories. Scroll through them until you find the Greek and Coptic subset. Clicking this will filter the symbols, showing you only those from the Greek and Coptic alphabets. This step is crucial for easily locating the phi symbol. Now let's find our symbol. Look for the phi symbol, which is easily identifiable. It resembles a circle with a vertical line running through its center. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to highlight it. You might find this step a bit meticulous, but the list is alphabetized within each subset category, so it shouldn't take too long to find what you need. With the phi symbol highlighted, check the bottom of this window. You'll see an Insert button. Click on this button to add the phi symbol to your document. Now simply close the Symbols dialog to return to your main document, and you'll see that the phi symbol is now sitting pretty right where you placed your cursor. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully learned how to insert a specialized symbol into your Word document. This seemingly simple skill can significantly enhance your document's quality, especially when you need to convey detailed and precise information. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.